Annyeonghaseyo. Today is the time for my regular class elementary. While I am going to the study room from my house, I show you what their behavior is when I enter the study room. And they all already here in the study room. Okay, good evening, class. Please sit down.
Thank you, Teacher Grace.
Okay.
안녕하세요. 저는 윤선 초등학교 안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 3학년 6학년입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 9살 초등학교 3학년 1입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 5학년 중입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 5학년이거든요. 안녕하세요. 저는 13살 초등학교 6학년 하나입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 3입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 5학년입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 5학년 중입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 5학년입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 7살 초등학교 4학년입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 1살 초등학교 3학년입니다.
Okay, very good, class. This is what we do before we start our class. Okay, say annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. So today we will practice English conversation. Start with Samantha. Samantha, what is your name? And my name.
My name is Samantha.
Where do you live?
Lasang Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City.
I live in.
I live in Lasang Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City.
Very good. What country do you came from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Very good. What is your first language?
Bisaya and Cebuano.
Very good. Do you like to read?
Yes.
Very good. Do your parents or friends like to read?
Yes.
Okay. What do you like to read?
Books.
Books. Very good. What do you read every day?
Books and newspaper.
Books and newspaper. Very good. How many books do you read in one day?
2.
2. Okay. What book do you like a lot?
Storybook.
Storybook. Okay. Very good. Okay. Angel.
What is your name?
Your name.
Your name is Angel.
My name is
My
Angel.
name is Angel.
Okay.
Where do you live?
I live. I live in.
I live in Lasang Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City.
Okay, very good.
What
Country.
country do you come from? Philippines.
Okay.
What is your first
First.
language? Bisaya of Cebuano.
Okay.
Do you like to read? Yes.
Okay.
Do your parents or friends like to read? Yes.
Okay.
What do you to read? Books.
Okay.
What do you read every day? Books.
Okay.
How many books do you read in one day? One.
Okay.
What books do you like a lot?
A lot.
A lot. Storybook.
Okay, storybook. Very good. Next.